Everyone is talking about AI. Everyone wants to become an AI engineer, ML engineer, or data scientist. But here is the truth. There are some things about AI ML that nobody talks about. And if you don't know them before starting, you might feel lost, overwhelmed, or even give up. So before you choose AI ML as your career, watch this. Reality number one. AI ML is not about building robots or Jarvis. Most beginners jumps into AI thinking they will build super smart systems from day one. But 70% of real AI work is actually cleaning messy data, fixing errors, pre-processing, understanding business requirements, and choosing the right evaluation matrices. AI is not magic. It's the combination of logic, math, and patience. If you enjoy problem solving more than cool tools, then you will survive here. Second reality. You need more than Python. People think I know Python, I am ready for AI. But no, to survive in AI ML long term, you need skills in statistics and probability, linear algebra, machine learning algorithms, data handling just like NumPy and Pandas, deployment like FastAPI, Flask and Streamlit, and cloud AWS, GCP, Azure, and Git version control and basic MLOps. Not all at once, but eventually yes. AI ML is a multi-skill career, not a single course. Third reality, you will fail a lot and that's normal. Your fast model will suck, your accuracy will be low, your code will break. You will think you are not smart enough. But this is the most normal part of becoming an AI engineer. Machine learning is literally built on trial and error. If you don't like failing and fixing, AI will drain you. But if you enjoy experiments, you will grow faster than 90% of people. Fourth reality, courses don't make you an AI engineer, whereas project do. Beginners collect courses like Pokemon cards, but recruiters don't care about your certificates. They care about real world projects, end to end pipelines, deployment, clean GitHub repos, explanation skills, why you choose a model, and how you solve a problem. One solid industry level project is much better than 100% of courses. Reality number 5. AIML jobs are changing fast. AI engineers today are not just coding models, they also deploy systems, manage data pipelines, monitor model drift, work with cloud computing, optimize cost, and collaborate with product teams. AML is no longer just model training, it's full engineering and business understanding and the combination of communication. This is the part nobody tells you. So before you choose AI/ML, remember this, it's not easy, it's not instant, it's not glamorous. But if you enjoy solving problems, learning new things and being curious, then AI/ML is one of the best careers you can choose today. If you want more guidance on AI/ML career, hit like, subscribe and comment AI journey and I will create more videos for you. This is all about for today. See you in the next one. Till then keep coding, keep creating.